the Pines Theater. It really is one of the gems. It still continues to entertain, but it dates back, what, to the 1940s?
It was actually built initially as a mechanic shop, operated like that for a few years. The real rich part of the history, though, is when it turned into the Pines Theater. It was about a 375-seat theater. There's a lot of country music history. Obviously, our queen here in Sevierville, Dolly, had her first paid show here, so that's our favorite part, of course. But you also have a lot of other country music history here. June Carter Cash and Kaz Walker and many other folks came to town and would play here in the Pines Theater.
We want to show you a clip that Archivist Bradley Reeves has shared with us. This is old footage capturing a very young Dolly Parton on stage here at the Pines Theater.
And little Dolly Parton will be over there with us. Saturday night back up to the East Tennessee Jamboree at the Pines Theater in Sevierville. Right now, here's our youngest singing sensation here on the Kaz Walker program. Little Dolly Parton. Dolly? What's you singing, Dolly?
I'm proud of you.